What's today?
We go to Iceland.
Alright, so getting everything packed up. Bags are sorted with most things. So we're going to check out of here and head to Lance's gym, catch a lift with Ed, hang out, record a podcast, catch a flight. Flight's not till like 7:30, so 5:30 at O'Hara. 4:30, probably need to be on our way to the airport. Boom. Here at Lance's gym, sat there. Gonna meet Ed, train for a little bit. Since we're flying tonight, it's basically like a shakeout. Like, I don't want to do anything that's gonna piss anything off that I got going on before getting on the plane. So see what's in there, but move a little bit, really. Like, so it's gonna be about maybe an upper body pump. Lance's gym's a bit tricky to find in the bottom of this giant building.
I thought I heard weights.
Wait.
I thought I heard weights back that way.
Let's go. Let's try it. We're gonna follow the sound of. Bonnie heard the clanging of steel.
I think. But in this building, who knows what it could be?
She heard gains. You think it's this way? Let's try this way.
Okay.
It sounds promising.
Oh my god, this is how horn we start. Yeah, did you hear that?
I heard it. That sounded
great.
like tins. I know from my trained ears.
Alright.
Found it.
Made it.
There we go, Frank. Let's go.
That's the problem, isn't it? That's about as wide as the groin wants to go right now. Like this one's so.
And why don't you just go to the closest stance?
Well, I tried to, but then yeah, it's like it's weird because this one wants to twist. There's a lot of shit.
Yeah.
At some point, it's just like we're gonna do the best we can.
Yeah. I mean, I used to train with uneven stance anyway, so I can't say.
Safety bar squats. With Ed.
It's hard to keep those handles down, isn't it?
Yeah. They want to walk on you.
That's why I go over it like this.
Little nubby flux.
So I make it harder.
Yes. Dude, if the team feels alright, we'll do some triples.
Can you send me that picture?
What do you mean by that snaky boy?
Ooh, it's beautiful, but I respect the distance between us.
You like the glass there?
I like the glass there. Just because I know that he's a sassy boy.
Little mustache?
Yeah. Jefferson. Might be a lady. We'll never know.
Alright, Ed just dropped us off at O'Hare, and now let's get checked in and ready to go. get rid of our mountain of bags through security. Very easy. Now we'll catch a meal, some food or drinks at the Air France lounge. And then we got like an hour and a 15 before we get on our flight.
Yeah, nice house.
Please proceed immediately to gate M16 for boarding. Thank you.
So we made it to the Air France lounge. We're being lulled into a sense of relaxation here by Phil Collins. Getting a little bit of work done before we get on the flight. 6:20, probably need to get out of here in the next 30 minutes, walk to the gate. A little bit of work done. Eat some snacks. Ready to get up on this plane, man?
We have to whisper it in here.
Really excited too because a friend of mine, Jeff Nichols, you guys may have seen him podcast. He's been on stuff like that. Former Navy SEAL, really, really good friend of mine. He's going to be there as well. And so I'm looking forward to hanging out with him when we get in tomorrow. See you guys on the airplane. All right, here we go. She forget her passport over there. And our seats, excellent. No laydowns or anything in this flight, but these are lovely. Very, very nice. Probably, maybe time for a beverage. I might have a beverage. Fancy. Oh, you're good. She's had some sleeping pills. Touch down, get our bags, get through customs, go get our van, go to Hasties and figure out what life's gonna be today.
No.
You're an Instagram. Alright, so we've made it to the gym, so that's a plus. We're gonna do some football bar bench, feel a little bit less shit. What are you benching?
Little bench party. Speed reps today.
Oh, look at you going so fast.
Uh-huh.
So somehow in my very limited intelligence, I've decided to enter a deadlift and log press contest while I'm in Iceland on November 2nd. But I'll make Bonnie do it with me, so that's fun.
Yep. Yep. Keep it elbows high. Nice.
All right.
Elbows up. Good. Nice. All right.
She's in the contest. Pressing logs. Success.
This is 85?
Weight?
I'd rather play.
40 kilos?
Yeah, I'd rather play.
That's more your speed.
That's more my speed.
Well, yeah, we all play to our strengths.
Yeah.
You can focus on looking straight up. Have a chemistry throat.
Yes.
So that
I can make more space here.
yeah, and the gravity is in the
Yes. Okay.
Big leg drive.
All right, done training. Grocery store with Jeff and the ladies. Get some foods and then cook some stuff.
Come on.
Let's go. Yeah. Nice. Yep. Any good one? Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Woo. Yeah.
All right, some more waterfalls. We're now at a waterfall's name I can't pronounce. Looks like this. Yeah, I can't say that word. There we go check it out. This big guy, pretty goddamn cool, man.
That's a big one.
What do you think, Jeff? Choo
That's
choo.
a lot of water.
They're just gonna run out probably this evening. Soon. What do you think, Bringo? Right? Alright, safety third. So I just pulled the slipperiest boy down those stairs and just slid the entire length of that staircase. Fuck. Alright, Captain Slippery here. Back to the van and on to the next waterfall. Yeah, pretty wild. What do you think of this one compared to the other?
This is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad this is the order.
You know when you said big? Like this is big.
Right. It's big.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really, really rad.
Big.
What you think?
Boom.
Pretty neat, eh? this Iceland thing. There is both ice and land.
They don't lie about it.
A lot of water.
It's gonna run out.
That's why I brought my warm stuff. It's gonna run out one of these days.
We're gonna make our way to the Black Sand Beach, and that'll be the extent of today's adventures. So we got snow. All right, Iceland. Let's do this shit. To the gymnasium. So right hip is still. So we'll loosen her up. Squats. And I may pull a very small amount.
Get it? Like
Yeah.
4 in the foot?
So just a calf raise.
Yeah, so like you go down, you squeeze 1, 2, and so on.
I'll do it.
Extremely easy, and the recovery time is extremely fast.
Very minimal, you said.
Very minimal.
Well, there's only 60 steps here.
It's 15, so it's 120 reps.
Easy.
Yeah, but the house record is 10 sets.
Have you seen these ones?
Those are, yeah, okay, yeah, shit, that'll work. It's like, chiseled is the one word that...
This one's back more because it was literally like I felt it on my hat.
Yeah. Just nudge it.
Yeah.
Like when it's on your head, like...
Yeah, I definitely felt it go. Whoop.
See if I can get my YouTube people to dislike your stuff as well.
Yeah, man. It's alright.
No.
You can come and, all of you, just join and hate me, like all the others.
Mud.
Elbows higher. There you go. Use your legs. Yep. And through. Wait.
I got some extremely average deadlifts in. Pulled almost just shy of 400. It's pretty impressive. Everyone here is talking about pulling 400.
Kilos, yeah.
Well, my plates are in kilos.
Yeah, it was close. I can vouch for that.
Very similar. And so now I'm gonna try to unfuck my hip a little bit more. Yay.
It was a pleasure seeing you again.
Done training.
Yeah, nice to meet
We're gonna find some food and then figure out what today's adventure looks like. Allegedly, Northern Lights tonight, so we're gonna give that a go. We just woke up in Grundfjordur. Good night of sleep. Back of the van. This thing bucks, man. It's got a little heater in the back, and it'll cook. Slept good. Woke up at the crack of 11, and now got some coffee in us. So we're gonna cruise around the end of the Sneffelsness. That's not correct. Peninsula, and look at some Sneffelsness.
Okay, sounds right.
My Icelandic's very strong. I'm fucking barely good at English. This mush mouth isn't gonna do Icelandic
We're gonna go
well.
see some rocks.
Yeah, go look at the Fisherman stones. Back. Guys a camper van tour later, not right now, but van's pretty fucking great. So this big mountain here, that is north of the wall, Game of Thrones. That is Arrowhead Mountains, the one they get the visions of, but they fucked up because look at this beautiful shit. Like this waterfall that we're checking out now, like it doesn't have a name. It doesn't, it's just off the side of the road, almost in Ulfisk. And big frozen bastard. Fuck, this place is cool, man. Not too bad for just a random frozen waterfall. Man, I really like it here. Alright, I fell in the water a little bit, my foot's cold. It's not a great idea. If you can avoid falling in the water, I recommend it. So, I got a wet foot crossing the stream. I think it's just various places Matt slipped in Iceland.
Oh no, it's true.
It's like, alright, you now have to carry the small camera around just to catch me fall into things.
It's true.
I used to be athletic. Now I'm old, washed up, sad man, feeling bad about himself.
Old washed up, slippery man.
This is the slipperiest man. God damn it. Alright, so we're gonna go check out the Fisherman stones today. The weather's actually not bad. I don't know what type of lifting will happen, but we'll go take a gander at them since it's pretty nice out.
Oh, it's nice and cold.
Yeah, of course. But they're dry.
Yeah.
There you go.
Ooh. Ta-da!
Set her down.
On the rock?
No,
It's on the ground.
On the ground. Alright, next.
This one?
Yep. Your 54 kilo.
My hands definitely get wet though. Is there a...
Yeah, so you want to like more RDL it. So like hook your hands under it like this. Like hooks.
Yep.
And then RDL it up.
Use your leg.
There she is.
That's it.
Yep.
Those aren't gonna happen.
Next one's 100 kilos.
Those aren't gonna happen. 100 kilos ain't happening. Good.
Oh, yo pensaba que era rollo. Que muy poca gente llegaba.
Get under. Yeah.
Watch out.
Nice.
Oh, stroke.
Hey. I don't think I got it.
Not today.
Not today.
Half Starker.
I'm half strong.
You are half man.
Half a man.
Half a man. Okay.
Fucking bear.
Yep.
No,
Not today.
no, I'm not strong enough anymore. No,
Not today.
can't get in. So, full Starker's not in the cards today. Half Starker, pretty easy. That's a heavy son of a bitch.
I need something in between though. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow, sorry.
No worries, a child.
Oh, easy. Way too easy. Yeah.
Beach here in Drifvik's pretty fucking special. You know, the Fisherman stones here, the black sand, and just a view out. It's pretty rad. But man, this may be my favorite season to be here right now. The fall's pretty great. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
All right, let's do this thing.
Let's do this thing.
Let's go get some hot dogs. A little bummed I couldn't get the big stone, but that was 2013 or 14 maybe when I did it. Shit, maybe even earlier than that, like 2011, 2012. So I was at my biggest and strongest and healthiest. So it didn't quite translate into post knee replacement mat. Oh well. Oh well. Situation averted. I almost lost our keys, but a very nice lady found them on the beach and brought them to us. Otherwise I was gonna have to eat Bonnie in the next 30 minutes.
Yep. No hot dogs for lunch. Only lean Bonnie meat.
Bonnie wasn't gonna
Way
survive for
less
45
tasty.
minutes until we got help.
Way less tasty.
So I was gonna have to brain her with a rock and then start eating her. I think the van's got camp cooking supplies in the back. One thing Iceland's definitely for sure of, they don't talk about, this is the land of not broken in, brand new, basic as fuck Merrills.
Oh no.
Where are you going?
I don't know. I don't recognize
You
our
want to get in
vehicle.
that donkey dick van?